Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to delete your story replies on old Instagram posts by date, using the latest update on your PC. If you want to clean up your digital footprint or simply remove replies you no longer want, follow along for a step-by-step guide. First, open Instagram from your preferred web browser on your computer. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of the screen and click on the menu icon. This will open up a list of options for managing your account. Next, find and click on your activity. This section is where Instagram keeps a record of all your interactions, making it easy to track and manage your activity. Inside your activity, scroll down to the Interaction section and select Story Replies. Here, you'll see a list of all the replies you've sent to other people's stories. To narrow down your search, click on Sort and Filter. Choose the specific date or date range for the story replies you want to review or remove. After selecting your preferred dates, click Apply to filter the results. Now, you'll see only the story replies from the dates you've chosen. Click on Select to enable selection mode. Go through the filtered list and select all the replies you want to delete. You can select multiple replies at once, making this process quick and efficient. Once you've chosen the replies you want to remove, click on Delete. Instagram will ask you to confirm this action. Confirm your choice, and those story replies will be permanently deleted from your account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your story replies on old posts by date, all from your PC. This updated method helps you keep your Instagram interactions organized and private, giving you more control over your digital presence. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need a little help managing their Instagram activity.